Hello and welcome to our next webinar session, Meet the Converter Experts, number 2. Today we see eurolaser, strive to the production and see how they cut adhesive tapes. Today we're talking about tesa ACX Plus, our high performance tape, and how it will be cutted via laser systems. My name is Bernd Schweitzer, converting manager at tesa, and I brought the expert from eurolaser, which is Maverick.
Yeah, thank you, Bernd. Welcome also from my side. My name is Maverick Jonas, and I'm leading the technical part today. So, some facts about eurolaser. Eurolaser is a mechanical engineering company that has been manufacturing systems since almost 30 years. And the system all over the world. Every machine in the world we built in Germany in the production of eurolaser, and this is the production of eurolaser.
Great, thanks for this insights. Very clean and clear production.
Correct. So eurolaser has about 100 engineers, and the complete service and maintenance will coordinate directly here from Lüneburg. Also, the technicians, engineers will coordinate here from Lüneburg and travel from here all over the world and install the machine with the customers.
Okay. What's happened with sales in terms of remover and home office and headquarters, all the mix? Where are the sales located?
Mix possible, of course. The sales office is here in Lüneburg. I would say, let's have a look at the sales area.
Thanks.
Come on. So, this is our sales area on this side. The sales guy and on this side you can see the back office.
Okay. And then what's happened after everything is installed, the machine is at the customer, ends there the contact with the customer, or what's going on there?
No, we have an after sales area, and there are after sales guy while still in contact with the customer for any question.
Yeah.
And maybe new material tests or something like that.
Okay, interesting. So it means you cover the customer not only from inquiry to sales to installation, it's also afterwards have a sales service who care the needs of the customer, taking questions, solving issues and all that stuff.
It's very important for us and for the customers.
Okay, thank you. It's clear.
Now I would say we start cutting.
Great, that's why we are here, to see how it works with our high performance tapes ACX Plus.
Let's go. Okay, we are starting with our M1600. It's a 650 watt laser source inside. It's a static system and a typical machine for plate and sheet material. The next machine is the L1200. It's a conveyor system and typically for raw material. So we can unload the material directly from the wall on the cutting table. The next machine is a 3XL 3200. It's the biggest machine at eurolaser, and it's the same system like the small L1200, just with a bigger cutting area. Our next system is the XL1600. It's a shuttle automatic system with a 450 watt laser source inside, and the working area is for full frame plates. Our next and last system in our application center is the M800. It's a shuttle system too, with a 200 watt laser source inside. So today we will process the ACX Plus material from tesa with a laser.
Yes.
The used table concept is an aluminium honeycomb. Due to the special suction system, the material will held on the cutting table without any mechanical friction. So Bernd, please shuttle the table.
Up here, I do. In this aspect, I have a question,
Yeah, of course.
which will the audience may be interested as well. Talking about dust during the process appears dust. What's happened with that?
Yeah, okay. So we have a 360-degree suction. So every dust going down on the table or up in the head suction. So we have no dust and gases on the material or in the air. So now we are starting the cutting process.
Indeed, no dust.
So Bernd, can you please load the cutting table with the new material?
Yeah, sure.
So the cutting process is finished and we can load the new cutting table and unload the finished table.
Cool. Looks good. Quite sharp edges, even on these small holes. Looks nice. Impressive.
Fine.
Okay, in this matter, I have a question. Are you able to cut every shape we want and every format you can use for? It's incredible. Something like this, for example?
Yeah, sure, that's no problem. So we can import a lot of different cutting files into our Laser Scout software. So I would say you send it to me and I will import it. So now we are on the software mode and I would like to show you how you import a file from your server into the Laser Scout software. In the software we have the option import file, and on the desktop is our Iron DXF. We have a short preview from the file, and here we have a DXF file, but I can select a lot of different types. Okay, I open my DXF file and now my iron is on my working table, my working area, and this is a X and Y 0 point, and I can change the size of the object a little bit bigger or smaller. I can rotate the object places on another point, or can select the small objects inside from my file, and can move the points. I can change lines and the notches from the file. Okay. So this is the import from a file in the Laser Scout software. Okay. Start. For the cutting process, I
will place the file on the X and Y 0 point on my working area, and now we have a look on the right method and the tool and the parameters. So on this side I can select the right method and the tool. So here this is a quality cut with a laser, and here we have a lot of different parameters to cut the material. Here we have a lot of different parameters to cut the material, and I told you now about the most important parameters. So the first parameter is the material thickness, of course. The next point is the laser, the focus length. Here we can select the correct focus length, which is built in the system. The next point is laser power in combination with the speed. So if you use more laser power, you can cut your material a little bit faster. The next parameter is minimum laser power. This parameter is for the edges and the small contours, because we don't need the whole laser power in the small edges and contours. And yeah, so okay, the next parameter is a pressure process gas. All systems have compressed air to blow the resulting smoke through the cutting gap into the extrusion system, keeping the cut parts dust free. And then the last parameter is just a information parameter. Here you can select which cutting nozzle is select or screw in the system. Okay, this are the parameters for the ACX Plus. Now we saved the parameters, and all our customers have access to our material database, which is included in the Laser Scout software. And so this is a material database with a lot of different materials, and every certified material is included in the database, and the customer can select the right material. And now we are going back to the machine and start the cutting process again. And now I can send the job to the machine and the process start. Okay. Thanks.
Goes quick. Yeah, it's nice. It's really nice. Even the small parts are sharp, and also the description here, it's really sharp. Interesting. Thank you, impressive.
Welcome.
Okay, interesting. Wait a second.
Bernd, what are you doing?
I would like to mark the tracking number.
No, we have another option. Give me a second.
What are you doing?
So first we have a label module,
And the second tool is the ink printer module. So now we can put a label directly on the material, and after I put down the label on the material, we can print it, print a text or QR code or someone else directly on the label.
Wow, interesting. I'm excited about the labeling.
Okay, now you can have a look on your file.
Yeah.
So this is just one material of a lot of different tesa products we cut and certified already.
No editing anymore necessary. Okay, thanks. Okay, we're talking about cutting from sheets, but also we know that laser cutting is also workable for roll materials.
Yeah.
Rolls like this, for example, wide and heavy. Possible?
Sure, that's no problem.
Okay,
Let's say, shall we feed the machine?
good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, great. Thank you. Now we can remember that we can cut from sheets and also from wide width materials, so roll converting. That's great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, for the last part, I would show you a special feature, a kiss cut to peel off the foil, the finger liner.
The liner with the
Yeah,
finger.
correct. And for that, I would say we are going to the M800, and I can show it.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Will be interesting. Okay, now we will convert our tesa ACX Plus, a black extruded adhesive mass, acrylic high performance adhesive, and we will feature a die cut with a kiss cut feature and finger lift to remove the liner easy. Correct?
Absolutely correct.
Now we want to make a kiss cut in the material. For this point we have our file like here, and create a kiss cut line with a universal placing tool. So we have here a line. We can set the line to maybe 20 millimeters and change the layer for the new file. So now we can place our kiss cut line on the right position. I would like to rotate the file, the line on 45 degrees. And on this point I want to make a kiss cut. The next step is to select the right cutting method. Okay, the black one, the black layer is the quality cut with a laser, and the red layer is the kiss cut method, also with a laser. The parameter for the through cut clear, and yeah. Now we can select some parameters for the KISSCAD. The parameters for the KISSCAD are nearly the same to the ThruCAD, but for the KISSCAD we use less laser power, and yeah, so we can just cut through the first layer of the material. So for example, we have just 6% of laser power, and by the quality cut for the ThruCAD we have 100% laser power.
Correct. So I prepare the machine already, and I'm starting the machine right now. You finished sample?
Okay, nice. So here you have this slit in the system, and just to easy remove the liner, grab the finger lift, grab the liner on the other side, and it's easier than maybe to peel all the time here on the edge the liner from the mess. So finger lift makes sense. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I have a question in terms of other materials, other constructions, thicker, other adhesive carrier parts. Is it possible to die cut everything on the same system?
Certified a lot of products, and set the basic parameters for this machine and this material, of course. And yeah, after that, you can use it on your computer.
Okay, Maverick, thank you very much for the insights of your showroom and the opportunities you have with your laser systems. I'm sure that the converters outside the audience will be interested in the systems. The audience out there, please send your questions to us. We will collect these questions on a sheet and send it later on by mail back to you, so that you have all questions together. Thank you very much. It was really funny to see you and to work with you.
It was a lot of fun. Thank you for your trust in eurolaser, and we are looking forward for the next projects and good cooperation.
Yeah. So stay tuned and wait for the next Expert Team webinar. See you.
One last thing. We would like to make you an offer. If you decide to buy a eurolaser machine, you get the first maintenance for free. So,
Nice gift.